is an OBD, or what is an OBD? So OBD means it's an onboard diagnostics, and it's an automotive term referring to a vehicle self-diagnostic and reporting capability. Now, OBD systems gives the vehicle owner or any repair technician access to the status of various vehicle subsystems. So your car is basically talking to you through the OBD, and the amount of data, diagnostic information available via OBD has been, steadily growing, and up to date there are hundreds or thousands of parameter IDs that are being measured by the OBD, and it gives you real-time data in addition to standardized series of diagnostic trouble codes, which allows a repair person to identify engine malfunctions or vehicle systems malfunctions. How would I know if my car has an OBD port, or if your car has an OBD port? Well, if your car is manufactured after 1996, then chances are it has an OBD2 port. And then to verify that, all you need to do is to look under your dashboard. You could just look at the OBD port. It's either underneath the dashboard or underneath here. So as you can see here, this panel says OBD there. You just take a look at it. In this case, I have an OBD scanner already here in place. I put a link in the description of this video what kind of OBD adapter that I buy, and what model. In this particular OBD2 adapter that I bought has a Bluetooth connection, so I can use my smartphone or my Fire tablet. So I can basically do wireless connection through my OBD2 scanner. You can buy other OBD2 scanners that are more expensive, that has tons of features, but in this case I bought this for portability and ease of use. Plus I have tons of information that I get from the Torque Pro website, which I will also give a link in the description of this video, so you can customize your Torque Pro application to suit your needs. So next video, I'm gonna show you how to configure your OBD2 scanner.